is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful evening on the channel. If you don't know me, I'm Baked, and I'm just your normal everyday motovlogger. Today we're on a little solo ride, nobody with us today. On the way to my younger sister's graduation, actually. Damn, bro, I'm reaching Unk status. I'm almost 20 now. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not even old at all, bro. But to some people I am. But anyways, also we're going to be talking about in this video why I chose this bike over the 636 that I had. Dang, bro, these rubber patches are already coming off. I just got these gloves. It's kind of crappy. Anyways, but yeah, I've been getting a lot of questions. Well, not a lot. I've gotten the question a few times just about why I chose this bike over any of my other bikes, really. And a few reasons. First of all, because, you know, I love the 636. It's so, like, iconic, and, you know, it's like the bike, one of the bikes that built the stunt scene way back in the day, and they just look awesome and stuff. So that's why I got it in the first place. But I also got a really good deal on it on Marketplace. I was bikeless and I was looking for, like, I don't know, anything really, but mostly like things to stunt. So I was kind of looking for like already built stunt bikes, or just like, you know, whatever popped up. So then that popped up and I got it for only 2,400 bucks. So I was like, frick yeah, I'm gonna get that because that's a good deal. So I picked it up, and then, you know, I did the whole build on it, and it was freaking yeah, because I had like a few more grand to spend, that I was like expecting to put like $4,000 into a bike. So I found that one, then I was like, well, frick yeah, bro, I have like a lot of money left over to do the build, you know. So then I did the build, not like a full entire build, but most of it, like pretty much everything except for like a 12 bar and like a seat and all that. And then I started like trying to stunt on it in the lot and stuff, and I was just like not really getting anywhere. I could pop it up in first, but like anything in second or anything, I got on the road, like I couldn't even, I don't know, I couldn't do anything. It's probably just like part of the reason because I'm not very good at stunting. But I was just not getting anywhere, only being able to do like small little first gear wheelies and burnouts pretty much. So I was like, well, what the frick? And then my roommate got his FZ first, and he was like popping wheelies so good like a week after having it. And I was like, yo, wait, he might be onto something here. And it was like so comfortable and so fun. He let me ride it, as y'all saw in like one of those past videos. And he let me ride it, and I was like, okay, bro, that got me thinking. So, you know, then I decided to sell the 636. Pretty much broke even on it for what I put into the build. I think I like exactly broke even on it, actually. And so yeah, so I sold that, and then I ended up picking up this the same exact day. This was only $4,000 as well, actually. So really freaking good deal for this one too. And yeah, so that's why I got. And then I've had this one for a little while, and I can already wheelie way better on this than I ever could on the 636. And this bike is just so fun, and like the perfect like everything bike, because you can like race on this, you can go fast, you can take corners really well. But main reason I got it is for stunting, and it's still stock, but I do want to make it a stunt bike, like put a cage on and all that, and handbrake. But like, it's so easy to wheelie. It's so fun. You can just freaking whip around town, hop over speed bumps. It's so comfy. Like, you're sitting up good, and there's plenty of power. This one's also tuned, so it's like actually got crazy power, and it has a bunch of low end torque, so it's so easy to throw it up in a wheelie. But like, I don't know, bro. It's just the perfect bike. Not for everyone, but it's the perfect, like, really well-rounded bike, I think. And this one is even has a tuner too, so it's a little bit faster than normal. But yeah, bro, I can just freaking rip it up so easily, and it's way more comfy. Like, third gear sit down just comes right up, bruh. No problems. So it's freaking so much more fun, dude. And like, I can actually take this places, because like the 636, it had the huge sprocket, and like it was like only a stunt bike. And I would like try to ride it places, and it was like on the highway and stuff, and it was like not it, dude. Because it still had good power, but it was just like I was in like 6th gear, like wee, trying to go like 70 miles an hour. But this one I can go like, you know, pretty much as fast as I want. Even though I'm not like that much of a speedster anymore, like a little squid anymore. But yeah, so that's like that's why I chose this bike over the 636, and I'm not telling everyone else to, but just ride what you want to ride, and frickin' whatever makes you happy. Grom, pit bike, whatever you think you can learn best on. I'm probably gonna get a Grom here soon, actually. Or not a Grom, a pit bike, just so I can learn more like slow speed stuff. And I need to get back into slow speed stuff on this, because I've been doing mostly third gears. But I need to learn throttle control and brake control, rear brake, way more. Also, this bike's just newer, more technology, and it's actually got blinkers and all that. And it doesn't even take much to turn one of these into a stunt bike like the 636. Like, it already has dirt bike type bars, and like it's already a comfortable seating position, and it's got crazy torque, so you don't even really need a sprocket unless you just want one for like doing circles and stuff. So yeah, I freaking love this thing so far, dude. It's got its few issues here and there, but so far it's been perfect. So yeah, that's freaking why I chose this thing, bro, because the literally only reason I got the 636 is to get into stunting, and I was not getting into stunting very well, so now I can. Anyways, looks like we're just gonna be stuck in traffic for the rest of the vid. So appreciate all y'all watching. Let me know your thoughts about 636 versus FZ07 in the comments. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you liked it. Yo, lifted Crown Vic? Okay, that's tough. Not gonna lie, that's tough. Anyways, leave a like and a subscribe if you did like it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.